Today we'll talk about how can you add your birthday on your Wearfit app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just click down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on your profile on your name here, you just click on it, you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on birthday here. So then here can you add your birthday in this list here, and here can you select here and here month. So then here can you select day. So when you don't, just click here on this sign. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.